Here is a shocking accusation straight from Iran. Israel's Mossad, it was behind Sydney attack. You're watching Times XP. My name is Riddhi Atri, and here we are going to talk about a quiet Australian city, a busy shopping mall, families, children, ordinary people. And then chaos, blood, screams. The Bondi Junction massacre shocked entire Australia, but now it has exploded into a geopolitical storm because Iran is making a stunning allegation. Iran claims that Israel's Mossad may be linked to the Sydney attack. Wait, let's slow this down and explain what is being claimed here, why it matters, and what's really going on. So here's the timeline step by step. After the deadly stabbing attack in Sydney, Israel announced that it was sending security and intelligence teams just to assist Australian authorities. Well, the official reason was to help navigate the incident, but according to Iranian officials, this was not routine cooperation. Iran says Israel's sudden interest in the case raises serious red flag. Here's Iran's shocking claim. Iran is alleging that the attack may not have been random. They suggest it could be part of a covert intelligence operation. Iranian media and officials claim that Mossad has a long history of operating abroad. Israel uses false flag cures to shape global opinion here. The Sydney attack, they allege, it fits a pattern of destabilization here. These are allegations and not proven facts, by the way. But they are being made at the highest political level. But let me tell you, why would Iran say that now? Because the timing is explosive. Israel is under global pressure over Gaza. Iran and Israel have been locked in shadow war. Attacks, cyber strikes, assassination, often without any fingerprints. Here, Iran believes that the narrative of random violence in the West, it helps Israel portray itself as a victim, link global insecurity to its enemies, and justify the future military action. Now, this is information warfare, not just bullets and bombs. In the meantime, Australia has rejected any foreign interference theories so far. Authorities insist that the investigation is ongoing and it is based on evidence. No proof has been presented linking Mossad to the attack, but the presence of foreign intelligence agencies on Australian soil has already triggered the debate. Who controls the investigation? How much foreign access is too much? Can intelligence cooperation cross the dangerous line here? Let's look at a bigger picture. This is not just about Sydney. This is about a world on edge. Wars in Gaza and Ukraine, rising terror fear, intelligence agencies operating globally, truth mixed with propaganda. Well, in this world, every attack becomes a battlefield of narrative. In the end, Iran has dropped a political bombshell, not legal proof. Israel denies all such accusations, and Australia is caught in the middle. But one thing is clear, even a local tragedy can turn into a global flashpoint.